To make this God Loves You Circle of Love and Light mini book, just download the PDF and print on either copy paper, or you can even use cardstock to make it a little bit more sturdy. Your printer hopefully has ink, black ink in it. Mine did not. I am out and I haven't made a run to the store yet. So mine is blue and I don't mind the blue, so I'm okay with it. But yours will look a little different than mine with black ink. And then once you have downloaded and printed, you will just begin to cut out each individual circle. Once you have all of your circles cut out of your paper, you're going to fold them vertically from side to side, like from the right side to the left side. And you want to make sure that that line, that folded line is straight up and down in the way that you would read this like a book. You're going to put the illustration on the left and the Bible verse on the right. And then after you've folded them, you will see that the right side of the illustration is standing up, as is the left side of the Bible verse. And you're just going to glue those together with a glue stick. And this allows you to start beginning your book. Now, I took colored construction paper. I cut a larger circle out of different colored paper. And then I'm going to take that and glue the back side of my circles that have been put together onto that colored paper. And then just like you put the illustration and the verse together when they were folded, you will continue that with the colored paper also. For the cover to our circle book, I'm just going to cut a larger circle out of some watercolor paper. We're going to put the folded sides onto the watercolor paper, and then I will fold that on top of it, and that's going to give me the width of what my fold needs to be, because remember, folded inside it. So it's going to need a little bit more space than just fold it over in half.